This is how I'm managing my daughter's first fever as a semi-crunchy mom. I gave her a bottle of frozen colostrum for all of the immune boosting benefits and stem cells, and we've been getting in lots of baby wearing snuggles to help her with her temperature regulation and also just to make her feel better. I've also been giving her plenty of breast milk for hydration and all the immune benefits, and I gave her a dose of Tylenol to hopefully prevent an ER visit. And I've been trying my best to nourish her with warming and immune boosting foods like this bone broth and this chickpea curry soup.